And I'm back again here. Let's get straight into it, but I do got another motivational thing that I have to post on every single day, so we're going to jump straight into it. Today I want to start off with Bitcoin, and this is being recorded late at night, so we're about to be almost a couple of minutes into London session here, so let's get straight into it. So basically, I'm going to start off with Bitcoin. I'm gonna be straight off the bat. I feel like we're gonna continue this bullish order flow that we're seeing right here, because we made strong moves onto the downside. This trade I did post on the earlier during the day, so this is what it most definitely hit. I was telling y'all to basically, I made the video up here, and I was essentially telling y'all to stop loss here and then pull down to here. So y'all would have definitely hit that because the wick pulled way down there. That would have been a good trade. It was a 2 to 2 risk to reward ratio, so that was pretty good. We're getting a retest on these highs that we have right here. We did push past this. We had a quick reversal, big bullish candle up to the upside, and I feel like we're just going to continue this bullish price action. Essentially, what I would look for is maybe like a break of structure above these highs, and then essentially what we can do here is we can look for previous orders, previous draws on liquidity here. So we could probably target even higher. So entry honestly would be directly right here. So as soon as we get a break of structure past these highs, enter, and we can target probably up to here. I don't know if it's going to respect those highs. It could honestly push past since we do have a draw on liquidity way up here. So entry point would be, right in this green area. So yeah. So that's pretty much it for Bitcoin here. That's pretty short and simple that I can give y'all something to look forward to on ES. Let's get straight into the mini futures. So we're going to continue this price action here, bullish price action. I want to break above those highs, and if this bullish SMT that's getting validated, well, basically we can use these previous London session highs to short. So essentially that's what I'm looking for. If we get a break above here, then we're entering equilibrium, and we can target so previous areas of liquidity. We have to go pretty far back, honestly, because we don't got good draws on liquidity. So I say use 0.5 or 1% risk to reward ratio. So essentially, what I do is we need to reverse this. So it would look something like this. As soon as we cross this entry point, bang, right on this, and I'm probably targeting at least like a 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. So that's typically what I do, 1 to 5. You only use 1% since we don't have any other draws on liquidity. I guess I could go like 1 hour time frame and see what we could target, but honestly, there's nothing. So I'm just using a standard 1.5. Let's go on NASDAQ here. 1 hour, we're in bullish order flow here. So essentially this might be a little bit harder to, so we're maintaining a bullish order flow at the same on ES, and we are continuing bullish order flow, more or less the same. But I feel like we might invalidate this, push down a little bit going into market open for London session, and then maybe New York session as well. I feel it's going to be New York continuation, and London session consolidation, New York continuation. So we're going to continue this, and we're just going to consolidate throughout here and then wait till New York session opens. We want to break above those highs, and if this does pull past down on those right here, I know the chart looks very scary to beginners, but I'm going to try to explain it the best of my ability. So if we get a pass below these, or get a pass past these London session highs right here, we can short as well. So it would look something like this. So entry point, I'm going to actually shrink that down here, and then target previous areas of liquidity, probably right to here. 2, so I would probably, on this trade, it's a little bit more predictable, so we can go 2% here, and on ES we can do 2%. I was just showing you examples. I know that I put a long position on here, but I was just giving an example as to what we could look like. But I do think we will continue bullish, so it's just going to be the same thing as ES. We'll probably use 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. So let's get to a 0.5 here, shrink this down. We'd probably use half of this scan box. So entry point here. And we could use this and then schedule for 0.5. No. Well, anyway, I showed it on ES. This is what I'd be looking for. 1 to 5. That's what I'm looking for. Same setup on NQ. So that's pretty much what I got for y'all coming into the charts. Looking into, I know News Monday and London session. London session is just going to consolidate. I would honestly wait till New York session. I'm probably not going to trade London session today, so y'all can skip out on that, because I feel like it's just going to consolidate and wait for a New York session to move price even further in the direction that I want it to go into. So for today's motivation, we're gonna do 1 day, or so essentially I heard a quote from is it gonna be today that y'all guys start, or y'all just gonna keep procrastinating? It's pretty much on the same topic as procrastination, but we're going to skew it towards basically, so if y'all on this side of TikTok where y'all watch motivational videos, etc., trading, e-commerce, anything like that. So instead of just watching your favorite influencers just live the life that y'all want to, how about we, start today? Take action today. All it starts with is getting into trading. It doesn't matter if it's E-mini futures, if it's oil, if it's Forex. Find someone that you and your views align with and go from there. I started watching, TJR and a few others that I can't name, but there are a couple of guys on TikTok that I do watch, and they're very credible. If I do find them, I will probably put them in the write their names out in the description of this video. But there's a guy that does Forex, and he owns it years, and he had a quote that kind of really stuck with me. It's like, stop watching your influencers, your favorite influencers live the life that you want, and let's start today. So, I was at a really low point. I was negative $250, and his video came across my FYP, and I was just like, dang, it was just a low point in my life, and I decided to start taking action. And everybody talks about TJR's boot camp. It was still ongoing. It was still in 2023 when he was making it. I think he was on day 5. And then I just picked it up and started watching from the beginning. And here we are today, making pretty decent money. And I'm going to go pretty far in this. So just start today. Take action today. And just keep being motivated. I'll post every single day, as y'all guys know, and y'all can learn with me in this market. These markets are built to defeat you, but if y'all stick with me, y'all will know. Stick to y'all's trading plan. I'll give y'all pretty decent entries. My trades going into the afternoon, they did hit 2 out of the 3 because NASDAQ decided to move up a couple of points while ES decided to move even more. So your take profit would have hit on ES. The equilibrium would have hit on ES. So that's pretty much what I got for y'all going today is take action. Just stop watching your influencers live the life that you want to live and take action today. So that's all I got for y'all today. And I love each and every single one of y'all that come to this channel and stick to the grind, because I will remember my day ones that watch this channel. And yeah, I just want y'all guys to grow with me, take action today, and let's all get closer to God. I love each and every single one of y'all that come to my TikTok and my YouTube. So I will see y'all guys tomorrow for London session and going into a high impact core PPI on Wednesday. So I'll see y'all guys then. I love each and every single one of y'all. Let's all get closer to God and let's take action today. Peace.